Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your canvas size or video resolution using DaVinci Resolve 21. Let's say I have this video in my timeline and I want to take advantage of the Ultra HD resolution. So by default, usually when you create a new project and upload your files to the project, it's automatically going to take or it's automatically going to follow the resolution of the files you've imported. If you want to tinker with this, you can do so in the timeline settings by hovering over this button right here. As you can see, it says timeline resolution. So the button is at the top right of your project monitor. If you go ahead and click that, you're going to see a few very common options of resolutions. So right now it's set to Ultra HD, which is exactly what I want because I want to take advantage of all the resolution this video has to offer. Alternatively, if you'd like, you can also change it to a vertical video very quickly by just clicking on that. As you can see, it automatically went into portrait mode and cropped the video accordingly. This is really, really useful if you're working on social media posts or YouTube shorts or whatever it might be. So there are plenty of things, there are plenty of options here. There's the standard full HD, there's the ultra HD like I showed you, portrait, and square. If you need more options, you can always set a custom resolution here by clicking on custom timeline settings, and you can change the resolution manually here. So that's how you can change your canvas size or video resolution in DaVinci Resolve 21. Pretty much it for this video, really quick and really easy. All it takes is a few clicks and just need to get familiar with the UI a little bit. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.